Alright, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Swivl-Eze seat base that does not stay locked in due to this piece here being pushed in, the locking bracket here. This button's supposed to operate it. As you can see, it does not come out anymore. It stays stuck in. So if you have this problem, stay tuned. Here are the tools you're going to need to get started. A set of drill bits, an aluminum rivet assortment, rivet gun, and a cordless drill. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove the bottom 3 screws that are attached at the base. You can see down in there, that piece right here is bent back. So what we're going to need to do is drill out the small rivet which attaches this whole bracket together, and then we'll pull that out and straighten it out and then replace that with a new rivet. The correct size bit that I used was a 1/8, and it seemed to drill it out nice and clean. So what you're gonna have then is this piece, and it is bent right in here. So we're just gonna straighten that out. We're gonna take this piece off, this extra piece of rivet here, straighten that out, and pop a new rivet in there. Alright, we got that cleaned up and fairly straight, so we'll set it in place and see how it looks. That looks like it's gonna sit in there real nice and flat now. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we'll go ahead and replace the rivet. So it is an 1/8 inch. So what we're going to need is a long needle nose pliers so we can get that set down in there. We have it riveted back in place and it seems to function correctly. You can go ahead and replace the bottom piece. And you're all done. This is a Swivl-Eze hydraulic seat post, and everything seems to be functioning great again. So if this video helped you out, saved you a little money and time, please give me a thumbs up, and remember, get outdoors with Deano.